Hey folks, medical hypnotherapist Roger Moore here. So close your eyes gently and take a slow, deep breath in. Let the air fill your lungs and feel your chest rise and pause. And now exhale slowly. Release any tension, allowing your shoulders to drop. Feel the air leaving your body, carrying away any stress. Take another deep breath in, but this time bring your attention to how the air feels as it enters your nose, cool and refreshing. Hold it for a moment and then let it out. Feeling the warmth as it leaves. Now let your breathing find its natural rhythm. Just notice it. The gentle rise and fall, in and out. Allow yourself to rest in the simple movement of your breath. Feel the contact of your body with your feet on the ground, your butt in the chair. Notice how your body is supported, the stability beneath you. Let your awareness rest there for a moment, feeling anchored, feeling safe. As thoughts arise, observe them, like passing clouds in the sky. There's no need to hold on to them. Just let them float by and return your focus to your breathing, to this moment. Notice any sensations in your body. Feel your hands resting, your feet on the floor. Be fully here, present in this moment. And notice how it feels. Just simply be. Take a moment to bring your awareness to your heart. Feel a gentle beating there, steady and reliable. Let yourself rest in that sensation, connected with life. If you notice your mind wandering, gently bring it back. Come back to your breath, back to your body, back to here. Take one more slow, deep breath in and let it out, feeling a sense of calm and gratitude. And when you're ready, gently open your eyelids slowly. Take this sense of presence with you into the rest of your day. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.